I like it. What else is in the bag?
Can I take off my clothes?
It's okay, leave it. It's fine.
But I want
It's hot, leave it.
to-
What else is in there? What else is in the bag?
What else is in the bag?
Yeah.
There's more.
There's more?
Yeah.
We could put those on later. What else is in there?
This.
What's that?
It's for your hair.
What do you do with it?
You do it for your hair. And a snipping one.
Do you cut your hair?
Is there any hair fall off?
Ayo, ayo.
And
Motina, no battery?
what was the pretend one?
I think you can put batteries in there. What's that?
Mirror.
Ooh.
And a comb and some clips. That's it.
That's it? You could do your hair? Wow.
Everything for your hair. But this is too long. I can cut it.
Are you gonna cut it?
Pretend cutting.
Snip, 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 snip.
You like
Is it perfect now?
You like it?
I like it. Is it perfect now?
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
I'm so lucky.
Are you so lucky?
Am I?
Yeah, of course. Look at how much stuff Mama bought you.